Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let's go over how to create a frame in Canva. So first you want to go ahead and open up a video. It can be of whatever dimensions you like. I'm doing mine in the dimensions for like a YouTube video. So start there. Then you want to add a box. You go to Elements, select your shape. For this shape, I'm going to use the square and convert it into a rectangle. Next, I'm going to add my text layer. You then want to increase your text layer to the size of the box or whichever size you like. I'm going to match my text up with the size of my black rectangular shape. And as you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble, but I'm going to get it together. So we just want to align your text so that all of your letters are inside your shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to fight with this fight with this word. I did, you want to make sure that when you add your text that you're adding it and your text color is white. Okay, that's important. So here I'm just gonna, again, align it, center my text. Once I continue or finish centering my text, then I'm gonna go ahead and download this document. And I'm just having a fight today. I don't know what's going on. I'm making this so hard, but we're gonna get it together. Okay, I think that's about it. Oh, okay. So now we're going to go ahead and download this layer or this document, and we're going to download it as a PNG. We're going to increase our size to the maximum. Once you've downloaded that document, you want to go ahead and upload it into Canva. And I'm going to then download the original layer that I created that graphic from. So we're going to download this. I'm going to add it as a group it together, delete, and then I'm going to replace it with the PNG that we just uploaded. So here I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this space that's unnecessary, and then go ahead and align my text with, in this case, the canvas. So I want to go ahead and center that and get that exactly where I would like it. And it doesn't have to be in the center. If you want it to be at the top, at the bottom, it's completely up to you. Now I'm going ahead and removing the background. That's what's going to allow us to really create this frame for our next layer. So I'm going to videos. I'm going to type in glitter. Get some type of sparkle going on. And as you can see, if you just put your cursor over the video, it'll give you a little short preview of how that video looks. And as you can see, there's so many options, different colors, different patterns. I think I'm going to go with this one. And so next I'm going to go ahead and align this video layer and kind of match it up with my text layer or the actual text. And once I have this aligned, or once you have your layer aligned to your liking, then you want to go ahead and move it backward, and voila, amazing.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.